Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Tuesday live stream. And we're gonna be live streaming for the last time in Paraguay this year. That's crazy to say, but it is what's gonna happen. Tomorrow we're live streaming from Brazil. Brazil. That's gonna be fun, guys. How did you Someone asked me some random questions. Let's see. I need to check my account. Yesterday, by the way, no one told me, but I had the incorrect audio. So my audio yesterday was horrible. So I don't know how people you managed it yesterday, but my audio yesterday sucked. And let's right now evaluate the trading session. I need to come to reply to. I just read. Let's see. Let's evaluate the daily chart on MNQ, guys. We're definitely. Oof. Yesterday, we're coming to that lows there. Oh, yesterday was an interesting day. Yesterday could have been a nicely just little green day, but it messed up. It messed up yesterday, unfortunately for us. Closed. We're red, closing red, coming to this previous day's low. We have previous day's low that it's not even that a liquidity grab because this low already take the previous one. So it's not that necessary that we will come to these lows, but it's even the closest one for the moment. So that's one factor to look into. Many daily lows here were not taken. Big resistance in the end here on the 800, 850. We looked yesterday to be taken, and in the end it burned a little bit our ass. It's okay. What can we do from it? Hello, Fayaz. Good morning, Nick. So this is the hourly chart. We have here definitely a level. It's 650, 680. Since a big level here, 670. We rejected them. We took the previous hour here. We're coming back to these lows that the previous day's low. Do we want to grab them? Or going low higher? I'm gonna react to what the market is gonna show up today, but definitely look as well at this level here. This is even more clear level. Look at this beautiful high, low, big taken at 500s. That's beautiful 500 level there. So if we don't hold and we start to go down, that's beautiful level there to look for a target. This is the 4-hour chart. I have to go to the 1-hour chart. On our chart, this low took this previous one, but did not push to anything new. So it might come to even lower. So good morning, Iron here. Good morning. You're not live streaming today, Iron? Muhammad, good morning. Let's go to gold. Let's get daily chart in gold, guys. Daily chart in gold. Daily chart in gold sucks. So I might leave gold for a little bit until we're out of this choppiness. Look at this. That's untradeable, guys. That's really untradeable gold. Just wicks above, wicks lower. Right now we're already wicked before. Do we want to come above and come it? We're holding this level. Definitely it's a holding level, but it looks very, very ugly as hell. We're already taking these ones. We didn't take these highs, but we're coming back to this area. Yeah, that does not look the best, to be honest. This looks like a strange area of trading here. If we see this, guess 1 hour closing, might think about taking longs to come back to these highs or these highs, but overall, it looks quite ugly. Very choppy. You see it, very choppy. I don't like this gold. I prefer a little bit more NQ. It's not even the best in neither NQ. We have a horrible week. We have a huge double top right now there. That it probably will come to get it, but to do that, first it needs to maybe some grabs. Maybe FOMC tomorrow is gonna just even make us everything cleaner. I should have taken another coffee from the shop. That's the mistakes I think I've done right now. Interesting right now because we grab this low here. Does it wants to hold and come back? Because right now we're closing nicely. Market is open. Yeah, that was I'm literally looking at Nick. I was thinking that this might be a long here. 3 minutes candle here closing above this area, and it might rip right away. That was a yeah 606. 606. You look for this breakout. Yeah, that's a really good point, guys. That's a really good point. I see the idea of taking longs there. Let me see if I can find a better level on the 50-minute chart. Can we have a 50-minute chart level there? I need to find a time frame, a chart, a level that will make sense. Yeah, that mostly seems this one. The 620 seems like the support resistance, little bit resistance, and then skyrocket. I try off. yeah, this is ugly, guys. Because to be honest, looking for the longs here made sense. Made totally sense. But right now you will be like, okay, it's topped out all these people that are going long. Yeah, if you were like very aggressive on short, we're gonna take previous day slow. We're gonna take previous day slow. So I didn't expect that fast. And not that I don't trade with that kind of fixed amount. I like to adapt on the market conditions. I used last year a really mechanical way, made money, but when the market evolves a little bit more, then a very systematic point way does not work the best. I think it's you really. I like to have a mechanical way of like I have stop loss and take profit, but the distance on point and ticks I think has to adapt on the market, because at the same time let's think about last year. There is no trade for me right now. No, so we're gonna take the previous days. Yeah, there's no trade. Even right now you might even risk it for a short, but then the next target will be 24,500 if I risk it here. So I'm risking to get this previous day slow be taken. That's a bit very, very aggressive on a big support level, I think. 5 seconds. If it pulls back, it gives me a nice risk, a better risk than this one. Yes, but right now, yeah. So I think it's because if I think about, for example, let's say 25. Let's go to the daily chart. Let's go to the daily chart and I show you my example of what I meant. Weekly chart. Maybe weekly chart. Do I have a weekly chart here? Let's go to the daily chart and I put 1 year. So for example, last year when my strategy was working with the 15 points was around this here, June, July, this period here. But how much was that? Was like, look, 21,000. So we're thinking about an increase of 4,000 points up to 20, the average 21,000. So we're speaking about 4,000 more than 21,000. We're speaking about almost a 20%, 25% increase. And you need to adapt on volatility. Look at this volatility here. Look at the volatility here. Look at how big are these candles and how big are these candles here. So each time have a very fixed amount. Look at this volatility in these days. It's kind of messy. I think if you need really something, it has to be depending on the day. I don't know. It can be anything. It can be anything that can be adaptive. For my point, it can be the first 5 minutes of the day. How much is big the first 5 minutes of the day? It will define how much is my points target. It can, it can be anything that for me that can be, yeah. For my opinion, this is my personal opinion, because really having fixed amount all the time, 15 points last year were working. Now maybe this year I should have moved to 20 points and 50 points stop loss because the volatility was higher, or maybe double it and the strategy was still working, right? Maybe this year I could have doubled it and the 15 minutes break was still working, Yeah, I understand the overfitting. Like spending, oh, by the way, guys, lows have been taken. Previous day's low, very interesting for my point. ES strong, very choppy situation right now. Still, look at the hour chart. Taking that previous, this is a big level here. You see this big level? I'm looking for this, but looking to short this right now, it's really betting on this support of not holding. This 3, 1, 2, 3, but we've taken this previous one already. Oof, very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Like taking a short here right now, risking these highs, aiming for these. I mean, you risk the standard, but it's too much aggressive. I'm not 100% convinced, so I'm not going to take it. I'm going to wait for the next entry signal. I think until we are like, what I would love to see, mostly like this, to be honest, to be more comfortable. Maybe we can come back and grab these, close lower again. You might again look for a short. Yeah, too much right now, too much mess. Yes, yeah, systematic strategy. They really need to adapt. If not, you will have like 2-3 months of, maybe you have like last year. I really taken a real example is my 15 minutes break strategy of last year. I made $22,000 payout, everything live streamed, so everything is real there. If you were not there, $22,000, you can go back. All the live streams were there. Stupid strategy as hell, but was making me money. And I had like 5 accounts. Imagine if I had 20 accounts. That were already like 80K payouts. Crazy. But it stopped working. It stopped working when Trump went to power and tariff started. Volatility was insane. And 10 points stop loss, 10 points target, 15 points stop loss was too little. And I could not, my brain could not adapt. My brain could not adapt. And is the bastard things is your brain to be strong and adapt. It's a lot of mental work. Really a lot of mental work for your brain to adapt. Yeah. Guys, I'm 15 in 7 minutes. The 15 minutes candle closes. I'm looking for like a more long-term play right now here because why? I'm seeing this 15 minutes here closing above this support, weaken the previous level there. We didn't grab anything above here. We created even a double top here. If we look strong, I might look for a long-term trade on the day, like something like that. But this play is coming from the 50-minute chart, not the 3-minute chart. So if because of that, the stop loss has to be until the bottom. Oh, it's flying. Wow, it's flying really. Jose, he adapts quick. I have to say that Jose, he adapts quick. The moment he's very disciplined, but that as well, the moment he sees something not working, he changes. Maybe in this period, 100 points, 200 points is a great moment. The moment, depending what is his entry way, but he enters here, he says 100 and 200 points. That's great. I'm looking for long bias right now. We've taken previous days low. Honestly, I didn't expect we will not. I don't want to say I didn't expect because I don't predict shit at least. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know the Jose strategy, to be honest. So I cannot tell you about his strategy, to be honest. I don't. No idea at all. I don't know almost any of the people's strategy. Even Mufti the Cat, I don't know how he enters. And I know Mufti the Cat for a year, more than a year and a half. Okay, I know they use Bookmap, and ViewUp, for example, Wakey. I don't know how he uses them. I don't want to know too much, because when you start to know too much about other strategy, it gets too much. Oh, look at that. Oh, let's go back to the 3-minute chart. Are we gonna get a short? No. Yes, we didn't take the previous low. Oh, wow, that's wow. Is this like possible? I've seen it. I don't know how to. Oh. Yeah, I'm trying to understand right now my. Yeah, market right now is confusing for me. So I still, yeah, very confusing. I think I still like more the long idea than the short. Paul, welcome back, Paul. It's been a long time, my friend. How is your trading doing? I think you mostly trade your own personal account right now. You've done some good moments. The trader recap. Who the heck is it? Wakey. The trader recap is Wakey. Last day in Paraguay, guys. Last day in Paraguay. Tomorrow we're gonna be in Brazil. Jogo Bonito. Is Jogo Bonito Brazil? Hey, tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, no, but Thursday, Friday, I will start surfing. This is my life, thanks to trading. I'm here in Brazil, trading and surfing. Follow me to discover how I do it. 586 is short and long. Let's see how this 50-minute candle closes in 2 minutes. Do we have news? No news at 10 a.m. Job openings delay report. Delay report of because of the. Damn Brazil. Oh, Brazil. I'm looking for this long. Nice, came down, took previous day low. If I go here down long, I'm risking how much? $130. So it will be like 2 contracts. Give me a second, guys. I'm thinking about if I should take this long. I'm gonna leave it there. No trades for me yet, guys. I'm gonna be there until Carnival. I will be there until 15th of February. Yes. Do you still have some PA on reserve? I still have 6, 4, 5 evaluations. Look, for example, I don't know if I should. Yeah, I have like 4 evaluations that are passed. Yeah, it's a good risk reward. I like that long idea. I'm just gonna wait for me. I don't want to take a trade I'm not 100% sure, and none of them, the short and the long, are something that I like. So I want to be more relaxed and waiting for a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I just need one good trade. One good trade can make me $400, $500. That's great. Yesterday we took 2 losses, unfortunately. Sucks. But it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, yesterday losses were honestly not even 2 losses. It was about not even the 2 losses. It was most the second trade that would stop me out for nothing. Stop me out and then went lower. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see what the market wants to do. And if it wants to do something like pushing, closing, stop out some people, and then finding again some strength to go higher, then I might take a long for better risk reward than the lows. ES is holding a level there. ES is holding a level. So it's looking good for some continuation long. Market is waiting for news. Yes, 1 at 10 a.m. 13 minutes. Job openings, delayed report because of the shutdown of the White House. Delayed reports, like always. All the reports are delayed. We have FOMC tomorrow. Hello, Scott. Unfortunately, no. If to get the $60 at least official price, it's until tonight. Then what Apex will do, if this lifetime fee will be extended or they will do another promotion afterwards, is unknown. So it can be that after tonight $60 gets extended, or there is a new promotion, or there is no promotion. So, but definitely the promotion says until tonight. So kind of the last day, but everything can happen. My advice is, guys, if you don't want to force it, you pass the evaluation, and a lifetime promotion should come with the Apex anyway in the futures. Maybe you wait for that one and you get the next promotion. Maybe it's not $6, but maybe it's $40, but yeah, don't pay full price. Right now, $6 is the activation fee, 60% off on the valuation. All the valuation are the same price. So we're speaking about somewhere around $80 for all package. But that's interesting is, from my point, it looks like speaking around people, and it's so interesting. For my feeling, people prefer to have a lower evaluation price and higher activation fee than deposit. What is, I wanna give this, I wanna ask this to a pool. Start a pool. What is better? Low eval, higher activation, high eval, low activation. Starting a pool there. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. People like don't feel the risk of they are spending too much on evaluation, and then get that evaluation passed. That's true, to be honest. Is this? I would say the same for me. I would be like, for me, it's easier to have an evaluation passed and pay $100 to activate it than pay $80 for an evaluation and don't be sure that I will pass it. It's definitely mentally different. Yes. Most people don't even pass evaluation. Yeah, that's the factor. So guys, vote 5-6 votes. So my God, 6 votes for the moment. Everyone says low eval, higher activation. That's true. That's what I think. Like, for example, the top step idea of paying $85 with no activation fee is not that many people will choose that. Show you how to pass an evaluation. The moment I get a nice entry signal, I think it's, for example, right now I don't have any place to where I can YOLO on evaluation, to be honest. But I will look into it, and I think at the moment we see something more directional wise outside this range, this level, it's good place to go for hard on evaluation. Eval day, it can be eval day, because right now we don't have that much. I'm waiting for a good way, and then get in. Not buying any evaluation unless it's 90% off. I get your point. To be honest, that's very interesting. Right now is 100% of the people prefer low evaluations and high activation. 80% off, $40 lifetime fee. It was a great combo because you pay $30, $32, and $40 is $72. So for $72, you can activate your 50K account if you pass it. That's true. It's even cheaper than now. That's true. It's even cheaper than now. Yeah. Yeah, I think a promotion similar to that will come back. It will be interesting if they will do it with 90%, to be honest. I think it's gonna happen. Again, I don't know about any promotion, guys, but for my personal, they will do it one day again. 90% off with maybe $40 lifetime fee. Oh, that is gonna be crazy. That's gonna be insane. $40. That means you're with $56 you're getting your activation. Wow. I will be crazy good. I will be crazy good, guys. Guys, we're definitely playing around here. What I would love to see, if I want to play long, is coming back, take this level out, closing above. Maybe I can look for the longs. That would be a nice target here inside the range. Credible. I'm gonna end the poll, but wow, everyone prefers low evaluation price. That's not surprising, but. And would you guys go for example, I know some programs have direct to fund it, but it costs like what, $300, $300 it costs. $300 still. for a direct to founded. But if you get an 80% off, $40 lifetime fee with maybe free accounts YOLO, let's say, you're gonna lose $90, $40, $100, and $30. It's much less than your funded direct to funded. Yeah, it's more very expensive, even with that. Crazy, huh? Yeah, $300 for $400 for a direct to funded. It's a lot of money. And imagine all these people that buy them is as well people that are not able to pass evaluations, and they're like, I'm not able to pass evaluation, I'm gonna get direct to fund, like if it changes something. But if you're not able to pass an evaluation, you're not gonna get a payout. There is no base there to convince yourself that you can get a payout, even if you're not even able to pass an evaluation. The evaluation does not even have that much emotions. It's like YOLOing, go to a casino and play $16 in a roulette. Red or green? Red or green? Red or black? Oh! Chop, chop, chop. Yes, there's gonna be some previous highs there, and NQ is just there. Guys, I decided to buy so many One Piece cards. Maybe I'm gonna get burned out, and these cards will value nothing in a few years. But I decided to invest on One Piece cards. Short at 613. 613, so you're there, almost in break even. Good luck, my friend. I still have not an idea of where to go for, to be honest. So much, it's just literally here in between. If I have to take a long, I need this low to be taken out. And then I will look for it. Tomorrow, Brazil, at the beach. Oh, tonight is gonna be difficult. I have the flight at 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. I have my flight. 3 a.m. How the heck you can have a flight at 3 a.m.? Oh, wow. Did I just say before? Anna. So much happiness. Oh. To be honest, I'm happy that I didn't take any trade. Because right now, it can still go anywhere. If I have to go long, these lows has to be taken. Close above, then I will look for longs. And for shorts, I think I will go look for shorts below this level. 2 more minutes, we have news. So if you're patient, you're inside the trade, in 2 minutes, you're gonna have some more probably direction wise. And if you're new, guys, welcome, subscribe. We live stream every day here, and we don't do bullshit most of the time. Seems like no trade today. Seems like literally no trade. Tomorrow we have FOMC. What is the prediction for FOMC, guys? We're gonna lower the interest again, or what's the idea behind? Is there a idea behind? 10 a.m. news, yes, in 1 minute and 14 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Do you see my time there? I don't think you see my time, clock time, global times. So now you can see lower there the New York time. Here on the low side, here, this one. So you can see how many seconds your live stream is delayed. How many seconds your live stream is delayed for my live stream, guys? 16 there, 17, 18. Now, one minute. What the heck am I saying? 59, 26. Yeah, I mean, you can do that, Mohammed, if that's your way of trading. I try in this period, I like to hold until one of the two gets hit. News in 22 seconds. So if you're long, if you're short, good luck, guys. Wish you the best. 10 seconds. Ready for the missiles. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Gold definitely got the hit. ES and NQ not that much, but gold got the hit by this news. Look at gold. That's a nice candle. Nice short TY is above this double top. MNQ literally not that much. Just a little bit more. Bullshit nothing. Yeah, that's why for me most of the time when I'm in a trade and there is news at 9:45 or 10 a.m. I just don't care that much anymore. For 95% of the time, it's like that. Like, and if you're trading with a stop loss and a take profit that is large enough, these things is nothing. Literally, it's nothing. Oh. These things can still go, huh? Can still go. Right now, we have closed the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour, guys. If you have to take maybe a long right now, is even better. Because we closed 1 hour strong. Gold, big wick. Even taking a long here, stop loss here, take profit here, stop loss here. I would even like it to take it, to be honest. But I will use the 1 hour as an indication. That's a beautiful candle. Take the previous one, closing above. But this is like, mostly it looks like the level. Let me put it there as well. If I go long here, I'm risking $240. Try to make $300 there. Or even more. What the heck am I saying? I'm risking $250 to make 420. Using the 1 hour closing right now that just happened. That's not bad. Yeah, right now the longs are more confirmed for my point. That hour candle, it's a beautiful 1 hour candle here, guys. We have beautiful 1 hour closing candle. So right now, that's very bullish. You're already up 46 points from that closing and this weak retest of this level. Right now we broke even this one. So it's a nice acceleration to the upside. This is a beautiful, beautiful candle there. Oh, even the... No, this 30 minutes. Look at these 30 minutes here. Beautiful. Yeah. These longs are beautiful, guys. Right now, longs are the one for me to look. Yes, if I was a little bit more a little bit more attentive at the hour closing candle, because it was 10 a.m. I have to remember that at 10 a.m. I have the hour closing candle. That's a big time. If that hour candle closes nicely, that's strong. With a wick lower, that's a beautiful long. But now we're gonna leave it because it can give us another entry signal. And if it does not give us entry signals, I prefer to see $0 on the day than another loss for accelerating a trade. See you, Mohammed. Thank you for coming as always, man. I wanna sleep. I wanna sleep. Woohoo, I wanna sleep. Already we're coming back. All that push for nothing. All that push for nothing. Does it really wanna come back here? What the fuck? If it comes back here, I will just give it an entry. Long. Oh. But now we have this level right now getting retested. It's 640. If I have to take a long, I will probably take it around here. If I take it around here, on this using the previous hour, the hour's closing was here, 630. So if I do it from here, I'm risking $300 to make 350. It's still good, but I can get a little bit better somewhere here. Wow. Wow. I still like the long idea. This was so far. Yeah, if I have to take this long, I'm gonna take it for like huge stop loss. I'm gonna aim for that. Let's see if I can get entry there. I'm gonna aim for this $260 loss. Oh my god, what did I move there? And take profit will be this price here. If I don't get filled, I'm okay. It's a good risk. Let's see, I'm gonna probably get filled. Waiting for this. Falling knife. Oh, yeah. Getting long. We're long, guys. I'm along with all my accounts. I don't even freaking know. What the heck is happening here? I'm long, guys, with all my accounts. I'm long with all my accounts. So wish me the best. Wish me the best. Wish me the best. I'm betting on this hour candle closure. I'm betting on this hour candle closure, closing strong, and looking for the next target. So anything in between, choppiness in between can happen, and I'm looking for that target there to get hit. Wish you the best. Thank you all for wishing me the best. Pre-market highs. Pre-market highs are even, yeah, pre-market highs are here. That's what I'm putting it, 724. I think it's a great level though. Let's see how it holds. Definitely this level, these levels, bit critical, little bit range here. And if we start to push and close nicely above here, 700, nicely closing, I think, yeah. I'm looking at this. The hour chart looks beautiful for my point that we grabbed, pushed nicely above already. And we have a double top here that we're not aiming for that. But even these one, two, this double top here that created this resistance never came back and grabbed. So I'm gonna look for it, looking for the fact that we're still coming higher. So even if sometimes I'm not that big fan of looking for such a big trades range, I'm like, okay, we're still coming from a nice upside. So the moment where maybe we grab some liquidity and we find some push, 2 contracts, only 2 contracts because it's 2 contracts. You can see it here. By the way, you can see it here, 2 contracts. Because with these 2 contracts, I'm risking $250. Make it 260 with slippage, commission, whatever. And with one more, I will go over. And it's not even, yeah, and I make like $410. I'm with you, Hamza. Let's go, man. Let's get this nice candle closing above. Can you? I need to check one thing. What is it? 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 I don't even know what's happening because I'm looking somewhere else. Are we going long? Is this thing's holding? Right, you're up $306. It's impossible. What do you mean it's impossible? MNQ? No, it's correct. I'm. You're right. Account 60. There should not be that up. I have double sides or triple sides. Oh yeah, I have 5 contract sites on these accounts. I have. Oh, I did a mistake. I used the same setting of the 150K account I had yesterday. Ah! I'm gonna fix them separately. Thank you. I had 1 mini on them. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I had 1 mini in them on this 150K account. Thank you, Traffics. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I didn't realize I had the same settings as the old accounts. Wow, I almost messed up. I mean, I could have had a $2,000 day there if this one went to take profit. Would have messed up everything, but I made some profit there already. Thank you, Traffics. At least I noticed it when now it's green. Lucky boy. Yeah, yeah. These free accounts here, because in the trade copier, the free accounts are blank with the one I blew yesterday because they disappear. So I was like, I don't need to put new ones. I just substitute. So I put the new accounts, but I forgot that these new accounts with Quantower, it keeps the same settings of leverage. It was 5 times. So I made $200, kind of. Thank you. I was up you were up $500. I was up $500 in a moment. That would be an amazing first day. Yeah, you should have told me right now. Hey, Amsa, you should have let me here. I'm up $1,000. I would be like, yeah, oof, I need to close these accounts now. Now I did not make much money. Yeah, by the way, long guys, but the long trade is gonna happen. This is gonna take a long day. Maybe this trade is gonna be closed even prior market closure if none of this two gets hit. No, I'm just joking. Yeah. So I'm gonna just leave it here like that. I'm gonna take a screenshot, and I'm gonna as well take a screenshot of these and put it in Discord. You're welcome to come to Discord if you're not already in Discord. And this is the trade of today. We're risking the lows of the day. We're aiming for the pre-market highs. There, this little double top here. We're aiming, we grab these lows. Yes, it's still holding there. It's a great trade for my point. I'm gonna leave it here, running until later. 2 macros, great risk reward there. Discord, where is Discord? Where is Discord? Jose there with me. Let's do it. Jose with the same trade. He entered at 606, so I entered a worse price than him. He's looking for 711. I'm looking for 724. Wait, why? What? What? Why for some accounts I have short exposure 0, 62. If I go to account 62. Yeah, it's correct. 62 is correct. I don't know, strange. Yeah, I cannot change it. Yeah, good chance I think as well. Good chance probably neither of them will get hit. Probably it's gonna be like something like that today. That's what's gonna happen. Or something like this. Or something like this. Ah! Stay positive, not positive. I'm pessimistic. So my brain is already accepting the loss. I'm pessimistic. So I already accepted the loss mentally, so I don't have to worry about me getting crazy later. I would say it's a great trade. Long is good. We might close it in advance during the day. But I think it's a lot of choppiness, but it might skyrocket. Get us at least the next level and then figure it out later. I'm gonna leave it there like that. If you're thinking to use Apex, guys, there's my code is Hamza. It's my name. The code is there below. It supports the channels. It's a small channel. And welcome to live. I'm live streaming every day at 9:30. Never hiding anything. Entry, exit are there. Profit are lower. Balance are there. Number of accounts. Yeah. Yeah, just so choppy right now. Everything. Yeah. I'm ready for a loss. I'm gonna leave it there. So I'm gonna call it, guys. This is the trade. Come to Discord. I'm gonna update you later for the outcome. For the rest, this is the trade. I will not touch it until one of them gets hit. Have a beautiful time, guys. Thank you for coming as always, and see you tomorrow in Brazil. Brazil. We're gonna be in Brazil at the beach tomorrow. We're gonna live stream. I'm gonna try to do something special in Brazil. Maybe create some content with me surfing and destroying my ass. But it's gonna be freaking nice. Brazil for 2 months. Brazil. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a beautiful time. It's a long day for me. I have to catch up on many things and do documents before I leave. No more videos. They bring so much unlucky situation. Come to Sao Paulo. I wish, Thiago. I'm going to Florianopolis tomorrow. Florianopolis to surf. You know, there surfing the waves, looking sexy outside the beach. You know, I trained so much the last days, weeks. The last month, I've been training so much. I have the abs coming out. I have the V shape. I'm like ready for Brazilian life. Thank you, brother. Thank you, appreciate. I'm excited for Brazil. Everyone speaks amazing about Brazil. So Brazil, I think, is gonna be fun. Ooh, Brazil! Jogo bonito. I'm going there to play my football skills at the beach. Bam! You know, butt kicks, back kicks, anything. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready for that, guys. I'm ready. Wanna do all that. Yes, I'm gonna slow motion exit the beach. Slow motion exit the beach. Sexy. With my blonde hair. I'm gonna blonde my hair. Curly blonde hair. So that everyone can tell me you're Brazilian. To be honest, here in Paraguay, everyone asks me every time, Brasileiro? I was like, no, Moroccan. Moroccan. No, Brazil. I see you play football, Redwan. Better than you. Better than you. And it's not hard to be better than you, Redwan. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. The last time you touched a ball was your balls, my friend. You got attacked. Yes, tomorrow live streaming from Brazil. Guys, love you. See you tomorrow. Definition of choppiness is this. I'm elonging it. Gonna leave it there. Gonna leave it there. Gonna leave it there. You know what? Before I leave, I'm gonna put the calamite. See? That's how the calamite works. It's Trading Star. Good morning. You just came a little bit late. How are you, man? I'm good. What about you? I'm leaving literally in 1 minute. I just drove the calamite to bring the price higher. How the heck am I already up $100, by the way? I'm up $100. Yes, true. I'm up $100. 2 contracts. Yes. Wow. Yeah. Guys, I love you all. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Live streaming from Brazil. Hopefully, internet is going to be good. I'm going to a hostel. I'm going to have my private room. But I wanted to go for a social environment because I want to surf, meet people. I've been in Asunción alone for a month in an apartment. So I'd like to meet some people, have a bit more exciting life. So you might see me in a little room, but that's how I travel. I'm mostly a backpacker. No fancy things here in these YouTube channels. I don't invest on fancy things. People rent cars. I watched a video yesterday speaking how a big influencer trader was going to Rolex shop, making videos from it, and just then publish them. And people were just liking that and buying cars. I don't have that. I just travel and enjoy life. And if people like that, you're welcome. And if you like Rolex, it's not the channel for you. With a girlfriend, no girlfriend. Single forever. No, I mean, single for at least for a little bit. Guys, I love you all. Thank you so much. I really don't know what I had. Okay, here. See you.